Hello YouTube, it's Willington here with the unboxing of the Acer Aspire V3-572G, and this is the platinum version. On the box there's nothing cool, it just shipped from Amazon. There's another box inside the box. Yeah, I ordered these two in the same order, that's why it shipped in here. On the box, this is how it looks like. That's the I should probably change this so you can read it like that. That's how it looks like that side, and this is how it looks like this side. It says V15. I'm not sure what V15 means, which is the same thing here, but I don't know. I hope it's what we've ordered. I think that's the series or whatever. And there's a seal right here, like you can see, and on it it says check contents if seal is broken. In case this is broken, that's saying you should kind of wonder why. So it wasn't broken in my case, so I think I opened it the wrong way. And there it is. This is the charger. It comes with a charger, like we all expect. There's a charger right there. There's a cable that goes pretty much with the charger, I believe. And there's your battery for the laptop. It doesn't come installed into your laptop. Nothing else there, and this is the user manual, the setup guide, and here's the laptop itself. Take it out. That's Amazon letting me know that my package has been delivered. Cool. They're a little late, but hey, it's cool. And yeah, my watch tells me. This is the user manual. This is the startup guide. This is the user manual. Dang. There's nothing in there. Man, this looks cool. Yeah, like you can see there, the battery is naked. There's no battery installed yet. But I'm gonna go ahead and just turn it around for you guys like that and open it up, and there it is. Aspire V3-572G, 15.6 inch. It's running NVIDIA GeForce 840M. It says it right on there. The i5 core. Let's go ahead and see this other stuff that comes in here. Just take it out and just have a feel for it. This is the battery. Let's learn how to install it without looking at the manual. Hope we can figure it out. There. Look at that. I did not have to use the manual. It's installed. And let's see if it starts. If it doesn't, then it might be wrong. Yeah. Thanks for checking out my video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and watch more interesting videos. Peace.